Hey, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna show you 3 different looks using the 3 different tiny Twinkle palettes from the Etude House Christmas line 2018. The first look is a soft romantic look, perfect for a day to night using the rose gold ornament palette. Use this shade as a base shade. Remember to blend it out so there's no harsh lines and apply it all over your lid. Then, using this darker red tone brown, we're gonna deepen the inner corners as well as the outer corners. I would recommend using a pencil brush because it's more precise, and remember to blend it out. Using this shimmer shade, we're gonna highlight our lids, so pack on as much color as you can. Finally, using this darker brown shade, just line your eyes. It doesn't have to be perfect, but I use a smaller pencil brush to line them. Going back with the base brown shade, I'm just putting that on the under eyes. For the inner corner to highlight as well as the inner eye bag, I'm just using this bright pink to brighten up the eyes and really open it up. Then I use a brown gel liner to just line my eyes. For blush, you can just use a nude shade. I'm just using this sparkly one from the Twinkle palette. You can just use whatever. And I'm doing my contour as usual. For this look, I decided to go with a bold red lip, so I just decided to do that and I overlined it a bit. For the second look, we're doing a brown gold eye look using the second palette. So first, I'm using this shimmery brown shade to cover my whole lid. Then, using this matte brown, I'm using a fluffy brush to kind of blend it with the gold shade to make it seamless and there's no harsh lines. Use this dark brown shade to kind of line your eyes. It doesn't have to be perfect, but it gives a gradient to it. Going back to the base shade, I'm just putting that on the eye bag area. I use this gold shade for the inner corners just to brighten it up. Again, with a gel liner, I'm just lining my eyes. Then I'm using the Mirrorholic in Starlight Spangle, which is a gold, and I'm putting that in the center of my eyelid and tapping it out just to blend it a bit. For blush, I would recommend like a nude brownish type, and I'm just packing that on my cheeks. For lips, I decided to go with a kind of pink shade, but it's more on the red because I don't want it to be bright red, but I don't want it to be too subtle too because my eyes are quite neutral. For the last look, it's a more smokier look using the silver crystal ornament palette number 3. This is definitely more of a night look. So first I'm using this color and putting it as a base, but I kind of winged it out like a cat eye. You can do this slowly, it's not that hard. Then using this shade, I'm just blending out any harsh lines and blending it upwards on my eye. Using this darker shade, I'm lining my eyes once again with a pencil brush. It doesn't have to be precise, but follow that cat eye line. Using the same base color, we're gonna drag that down to the under eye bag and just kind of connect it with the cat eye. So I decided to add more bling to the eyes, so I'm using Miraholic in the shade Snowflake, and I'm putting that towards the inner and the center of my lid, and also blending it out a bit so it doesn't seem harsh. Using a liquid concealer, it's definitely much more easier. I'm sharpening the edges and then using a Q-tip to blend it out, so it will look more clean cut. I'm just adding some brightness by adding some gold in my inner under eye bag using the bling bling eye stick, and then drawing an eyeliner using a liquid eyeliner in black. Just did my contour as usual. For blush, I went with a pinkier blush to bring more color to my face. For the lip, I just went with a nude color because I want to bring more focus to the eyes. So that's it for the 3 looks. Do like and subscribe if you enjoy my content, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!